What's going on, guys? It's your boy right here, back in another video. And today we have another fishing video, slash vlog slash challenge video. It's really fun. And we're gonna be doing a challenge first. I actually forgot to do an intro to this video. It's actually nighttime right now. And we're actually doing a challenge video. And the next clip you see is gonna be the challenge video. And the challenge is make your own bait challenge, which didn't really work. But make your own bait challenge. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so my bait right here is this. It kind of looks like I would say it acts like a spinner bait. So in the water, it kind of spins like that. So yeah, and this is off of a Kool-Aid bottle, that you squeeze and then you drink. And then you twist this cap off, and then it was like this, but I bent them opposite ways and bite down on it a little. So it stays just like that. And boom, there's my bait. And I have a little small hook in here because I've had bluegill blow up on this thing. It's not too big. It's not too bulky or whatever you want to call it. Not too big. And I'll put this kind of at an angle like that maybe, so that it kind of dies down a little bit. And it's gonna look really good in the water. I have it on my spinner rod right now. This is the spinner rod I use every single day, with some nice braided yellow line on there. And yeah, we're gonna put you guys on the chest cam on the GoPro, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right guys, so we're actually heading down right now. Got the spinner, got the bait right here, and we're gonna be heading right down here to our little spots. Hopefully this thing actually kind of works. I don't know yet. This stuff is just cut. Actually, I don't know where we're gonna go. Where should I go, guys? Should I go right here or over there? I don't know where I want to go really. We'll go over here. Come on, I just want to see how this thing works. So what I'm guessing it's hopefully going to do is that whenever I cast it and reel, okay, so it's sort of a top water, but what I don't know, hold on, you guys might not hear that, but if I go like this, ready? Hold on. Ready? It's like a, it sounds super cool, guys. So here we go. We're gonna cast out. It can't go that far, but right now I'm just testing it. Oh my god, look at that action, guys. It is perfect. All right, here we go. Can't go that far, but trust me, I have had blow-ups on this thing. I might have to put a weight on this thing, guys, if it doesn't work that well. Might have to add an extra weight. That one was horrible. I have had blow-ups with this thing before. Come on. There's a little eagle. Alright guys, I definitely thought this would be heavy enough to cast kind of sort of far. But I can only cast a couple feet. So we might have to go put on a weight for it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what we're gonna do. All right, we'll catch you when we got a weight on. Hey guys, we got the weight on right here. Not too big of a weight right there. Boom, shakalaka. We're gonna walk to the same exact spot. It's sprinkling a little. That's all right. We're going to go to the same exact spot, and we're going to test this. Hold on guys, it's a little tangled. Shoot. Hold on guys, I gotta get this tangle undone. Catch you when it's undone. Okay guys, tangle's undone. I'm gonna see this action real quick. That was just a light cast. Oh yeah, that is money, guys. It cast so perfect. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh my god. If that doesn't get Ian, I don't know. It's raining a little bit, guys. That's okay, though. You never want it to be perfectly sunny when you're fishing, because then it's just like, there's clouds over. Right now there's a little overcast. That's perfect. I was thinking that this is supposed to look like a bass. Sorry. I'm supposed to catch bass, but I'm thinking this is supposed to look like a dragonfly or like something flying on top of the water. Because it sort of is top water. I should have put a bigger weight on this. That was a horrible cast. Here we go. 3, 2. Oh yeah, that was good. If this video doesn't work, we're going to be going like live bait live bait bass fishing later on today. And yeah. Guys, this might not work. Alright guys, we're going inside. It's starting to rain and this bait isn't working really. So I'll catch you guys when we're live bait bass fishing. Here we go. Oh, we're about to jump. 3, 2, 1. So good. We're gonna go.
Yeah, it's crazy how cold it's just hot.
I'm gonna do a backflip. Here we go, I'm gonna do a backflip. Gotta take the goggles off. Get out. Hurry up. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's go. Alright guys, since we're waiting to fish like later on, we're at the pool. You guys saw. We're about to pencil drop to the bottom. Got my cool goggles on. Alright, here we go. 3. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom and swim around. 3, 2, 1. That was sweet. We're gonna do it again. Alright, we're going again. Here we go. This one's gonna be a running, just jump. From all the way back here. We're gonna go to there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna swim over to my parents. We're doing another fun thing. Alright, I'm checking in. We're not doing anything right now. And oh my god, he just dumped ice cold water on me. Okay, we'll get back to you in a sec.
Okay, yeah.
Alright guys, watch how fast my dad's gonna swim over to us.
I put the new 4Gs on the Jeep.
Alright, you ready?
Ready.
feet. Wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. We're about to both go. 3, 2, 1. That was awesome. Wait, into the backflip. Alright guys, we're fishing. My GoPro's about to die. And we'll get you when we got a bite. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the end of the video. Unfortunately the GoPro died like you saw, and I put in the photos of what we caught. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.